All right, Dr. Kemp here. My lawnmower was broken. Had this wire that broke here, this cable, and so I spent about $8 buying a new one off eBay. And here it is right here. This cable right there. Running all the way through there, down through here, right into there, and then connected it right there. And took me, about 5 minutes, Austin? There's Austin over there. Took us about 5 minutes to put this on. Actually, to remove this thing and to put that one on took about 5 minutes. You take this thing to the shop, and the man gonna be charging you some money. Talking about, well, the part is gonna cost you $35, and then I had to round. I had to do the round, and the round. And so now you're ready. And you say, what's my bill? What's the bill be also? What you say that bill to be? About what?
Between 30 and 50.
Well, if the part costs $35, he gonna charge you $35. And then he gonna charge you about $50 labor. Probably about $85, $90, man. So he's probably gonna charge you about $85 or something. Yeah. So it's a good thing to be able to buy something yourself for about $7 to $8. Take 5 minutes and put it on yourself, son. Ain't that something? Save yourself about $70 on this project. Okay, let's crank it up and see what it sounds like. Dr. Kemp with grandson Little over there. So what we gonna say, Little? All right. You heard him.